I'm standing in front of our office today in Murfreesboro, not because we're going inside, but there's a hidden gem of brand new townhomes called villas at Regal Square that we're going to go ahead and take a look at. So stay tuned and join me.
Whatever. Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Finding a home is about more than just four walls. It's about finding a community that shares your heart. From our historic main streets to these rolling green hills, Nashville offers the pace of life you won't find anywhere else. I'm Gary with Elam Real Estate, a Christian-based brokerage here in Nashville. We love working with patriots who love our country as much as we do. If that sounds like you, let's connect. My details are in the description below. Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So in case you're from out of town, Murfreesboro is a suburb of Nashville, about 45 minutes south. Tons of people are moving to this location because the affordable homes, the good schools, it's got everything there, and it also is easy to get to Nashville. Today I'm showing you these beautiful homes called the villas at Regal Square, and they're kind of tucked away. They're off the main street, so it's nice and quiet back here. These are all 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhomes. The sizes on these range from 1,754 square feet to about 1,780. What's really great about the price here is that these nice homes start at $349,990, and the ones that are available right now go up to $379,990. So currently there are 7 townhomes available, which they call quick move-in homes. That means they're built, they're ready to go, you can move right in. These are all 2-story, so they're on the bottom floor. You've got your kitchen, family room. There's a 2-car garage. There's a little bit of outdoor living space, which I'll show you in a little bit. A covered porch, foyer, dining room, kitchen, all that stuff's downstairs. And when you go upstairs, there's 2 bedrooms. Both of them are about 10 by 12. And they're really nice. The designers did a really nice job at staging this home. But you'll find what they call the owner's bedroom, which used to be called the master, which also sometimes is called the primary home, or the primary bedroom, the primary suite. That just means that it's got the bathroom attached to the home. It's not a big development. They're not building a ton here, so that makes for nice, quiet place. You're not going to be hearing a lot of building going on. There is one more phase. It looks like it's going to be built here, but they're very nice, and they're well appointed. And I think for the price, you're getting a very good value. Something like this up in Nashville would probably cost quite a bit more. So being here in Murfreesboro, you're getting a great price. And you know, the people that live here in this county, Rutherford County, they absolutely love it. They swear by it. This is a great location because just right across the street there's a Publix, there's a Dutch Brothers, there's all kinds of shopping, restaurants, all that good stuff. So here you see the outdoor patio, and then that would be connected to your 2-car garage. In this case, they have a office set up in there. Also, they got bocce ball, which is great, and cornhole set up over here if you want to play that, and then also show you the 2-car garages. So if you're interested in any of these properties, message me or go to my website to download my Nashville Buyer's Guide. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram for daily Nashville home tours, market updates, and everything you need to know about living in Middle Tennessee.